Hi, my name is Andrew Dimmer, and I'm the Developer Student Club Lead at Oakland University. A couple weeks ago, I filmed a video instructional series demonstrating how professors can move their classes from in-person to online in light of the COVID-19 epidemic. Since then, I've had a number of questions from both professors and students asking how to do different things online, and one of the most common that I've received from students is how do I turn multiple images into a single-page PDF for homework submission? Now, a lot of students are using like a camera app that scans photos for them, or an old scanner that basically just sends it from a page into a single picture per page. But it's difficult to submit these. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating how we can take multiple pictures and turn them into a single page PDF using either PowerPoint or Google Slides. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate how to go use Google Slides to go create a PDF document for you to submit from a bunch of pictures that you've scanned somehow. So as you can see, I've already got the pictures downloaded. And so the first thing we need to do is we need to open up Google Slides. Now we can do that by going to the waffle from pretty much any Google service. And I'm actually going to go through Drive first. You can access Slides directly, but I like doing my file management through Drive. And then from there, to create a new presentation, all you've got to do is hit New, Google Slides, and you're all set with a blank presentation. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go format this presentation into a letter-sized document. Now the reason we're doing the slides over something like a Word doc or a Google Doc is because slides by default don't have a margin. We can go put our images and the scans to the full width of the slide so it doesn't accidentally go shrink the image we're trying to go send. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually set this to letter size by going to File, Page Setup, clicking Custom, and we're going to do it generally the size of the document. So I'm going to do, in this case, 8.5 by 11. And now my slide is the same size as a letter piece of paper. This makes it really easy because I can go and just highlight and delete everything that used to be on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload each image onto its own slide. So to do that, we can go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Or if you already have it on, let's say, your Google Drive or something like that, you can upload it from there. But in this case, I've got it in Download, so I'm going to grab the first image, and I'm going to stick it onto the slide. Note that the scanning software that I used for this one wasn't quite letter size. It already cropped the image a little bit based on where I had written. But this is now on the slide. And to go add another page to the document, we can just go through and insert, or rather slide, new slide. Again, we can delete everything on there and go insert image. Again, we can pick any of these. I just already have it on the computer. Grab the other image. And as you can see, we can do that for every page that we have. Now to go download it as a PDF, all we've got to do is go to File, Download, and then select PDF document. And it will go download a PDF for you. And if we go preview it, as you can see, you have a one PDF file for all of the images that you scanned separately that you can go submit online. Now, let's say you're using PowerPoint instead of Google Slides. That's totally fine, and our process is very similar. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to set the screen size, or the slide size rather, to 8.5 by 11. In my version of PowerPoint, we go to Design, and Slide Size, and Custom Slide Size. And again, we can set this to 8.5 by 11. Doesn't really matter if you maximize or ensure fit. In the end of the day, we're going to delete the empty content that's there. So we're all set to go. Now to go insert the pictures, it's the same way. We can go to Insert Picture. I can go grab the pictures that I've got. So here's our first page that we're inserting. And as you can see in this particular one, it did put it full screen right away. so that our screen size is our entire picture. And I can go grab a new, I'm just going to set this to a blank slide, insert picture, grab our second image, and as you can see, we now have basically all the images we need onto the single PDF. All we've got to do to go save the PowerPoint rather as a PDF is go to File, Save As, and then it's a bit weird, but generally speaking, I go Browse, and then you can go from the drop down of file types here, select PDFs, click Save, and it will go and automatically generate once again for you one PDF off of as many images that you upload into the PowerPoint document. That being said, I hope that online classes is a little bit easier for you now that you've got an easy way to go turn multiple scanned images into a single PDF file for easy homework submission.